Late night, no sleep, cold hands, can't breathe. One chair, dim hall, one line cuts through it all. How do I keep what made me me? No smoke, no scene, just guiding me. You hear me? I won't pretend. I've worn my smile till the edges bend. I'm not asking for a sweeter truth. Just don't let me wake up with someone new. I'm here, I'm alive. No mask, no disguise, no borrowed heart. No I stayed when I should have run. Here's where I gave till there was none. Here's where I laughed with a breaking voice. Here's where I call that silence choice. I don't need an easy road, I don't need a lighter load. I just need a sign that I still am me. When the room goes dark and there's no one to see, God, if you hear me, I won't perform. No holy words, no perfect form. You see the wound beneath the skin, you see how close I've been to giving it. I'm here, I'm alive. No mask, no disguise, no borrowed heart. No alibis. I'm here, I'm alive at the end of me. God, don't let me lose me. Don't let me leave me. If I go quiet, don't call it peace. If I look strong, don't trust what you see. If I say I'm fine, I might not be. There's still a whole soul in here, trying not to leave. I'm alive. No mask, no disguise, no borrowed heart, no alibis. I'm here, I'm alive at the end of me. God, don't let me lose me. Don't let me leave me. Not for the world, not for applause. Just let me leave here, still